Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator at RX Catering in the DC metro area, and we're here to cook with Sharon. So we've been cooking all these awesome recipes and different entrees, but you know what's missing? Bread. You know, you can't have a southern dish, or you can't have that roasted chicken, fried chicken, or any type of other chicken without cornbread. But you know what? Our vegans always miss out. So today we're going to make vegan cornbread. So let's get started. Simple, easy recipe that you can do at home. And of course, if you don't want to do it, we got you covered. But we have all-purpose flour. I have some just regular cornmeal, and then sugar, a little bit of salt, canola oil, and baking powder, along with unsweetened almond milk. So we'll just take our all-purpose flour, put it in our bowl, cornmeal, and then we have sugar. Now I'm making a southern style type of cornbread, and I hope my southerners aren't going to be offended by this version. But you know what, guys? I mean, we have to have options. We have to have options for people that just want a vegan type of option instead of our traditional down-home good southern so tasty cornbread. But we're gonna try a different way. So then we have our powder, our baking powder. Put that in along with our canola oil. And again, this is so simple, you all. You can do this. This is about a 30-minute, from start to finish prep. This is salt. I'm just gonna put in just a little. That's about a teaspoon or so, half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna put in our almond milk and mix this all together. I've selected to use this whisk. It's just easier for me to blend all the ingredients together. I have greased or oiled a oven ready pan. So set your ovens at 400 degrees. And once we get this all mixed, this will take probably about 20 minutes to actually bake. Just like regular, I know some of y'all cheat, Jiffy cornbread. This is going to be kind of the same way. When you put it in the oven, how do you know it's done? You put in a little knife or a toothpick, comes out clean, and you know it's done. So we have our mix here. And I'm telling you guys, your guest, if you serve this along with some collard greens and black-eyed peas, you know what? I think this is going to be good for New Year's Eve, our meal for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. You got to have what? Collard greens, black-eyed peas, and cornbread. You got to have it. So we're going to make sure everyone's covered. Our vegans too. Okay. So it looks like we are pretty good to go. And we're going to put this in our pan. You can use a regular, I like thick cornbread. That's why I've opted for this particular pan, because I want my pieces to be a little thicker. But you can use a round baking dish. You can use just a regular old 8x8 tin pan. That'll work too. But as you see right here, bam, we're all good to go. We're going to put this in the oven, like I said, for about 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. We took our cornbread out of the oven. Oh my gosh, it was smelling so good. And as soon as it came out, I actually topped it with this vegan butter. So, you know, we like warm, hot cornbread right out the oven. And so I cut it up, put it on this platter, and then I melted some more butter before I taste it. Oh my gosh, I think it's going to be awesome. And I think you guys are going to be impressed. So, again, this is a great addition to any of our meals. I think I mentioned earlier that this is great. You know, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, I always have cornbread, collard greens, and black-eyed peas. So, for our vegans out there, or for anyone that wants to transition, give it a try. It's so good. Check us out at rxcateringdc.co. Thanks for joining us.